when Ravi asked me to join this program, the first thought in my mind is, I'm already excellent here. Why should I be joining this? Right? And he's saying fast forward and all those. Curiosity in me said, okay, let me just try it out. Gradually, you'll get a little bit closer and closer in discussions, conversations, and so on. And that's something that sort of unraveled. Oh, there is something that I'm learning from this particular program, this workshop. And as the workshops went one after the other, I figured, oh my God, there is a lot that I have to learn. One thing that I now feel is what I didn't think there is freedom. I feel that freedom today. I mean, and I think I'm going forward towards that kind of freedom from the whatever blocks that were there in me. And I also see all the participants sort of shedding that inhibition and talking more freely. That also encouraged me into talking more freely. So it was wonderful. I was looking forward to every Saturday.